Now students, see page number 56. I am reading new paragraph. The name of the paragraph is Why Non-Cooperation. In this paragraph we have to understand why Mahatma Gandhi ji selected non-cooperation movement to boycott, to oppose Britishers. So try to understand. In his famous book, I am reading this one. In his famous book, in Mahatma Gandhiji's famous book, name of the book underline, Hind Swaraj, 1909. Is Mahatma Gandhiji's book, Hind Swaraj, which was written in 1909. Mahatma Gandhiji declared that British rule was established in India with the cooperation of, see this one, with the cooperation of Indians. In his book he declared that according to Mahatma Gandhi ji, in our country British rule which was established, why? Because of the cooperation of Indians, because we cooperated, so that British rule established, British Empire established in our country, and had survived only because of this cooperation, and it was established as well as it was carried out because of our cooperation, Indians' cooperation, he declared in his book. If Indians refused to cooperate, as well as he told, what? If we refused to cooperate, British rule in India would collapse within a year and Swaraj would come. Now, according to Mahatma Gandhi ji, if we refused to cooperate, to help to the Britishers, so British rule would collapse, would end within a year, in a 1 year, and Swaraj would come, and we will get our freedom. We can establish our Swaraj. So that he wanted to start non-cooperation movement because of this reason. Try to understand, student. Now, this paragraph I am reading. This one. How could non-cooperation become a movement? Non-cooperation means not to cooperate to British. So how could this, we can say, the whatever the activities become a movement? Gandhiji proposed that the movement should unfold in stages. Unfold, underline, unfold. Unfold means move forward. Mahatma Gandhi ji, he said that non-cooperation movement should move forward. How? Develop, we can say, in a stages, stepwise. According to non-cooperation movement, he suggested it should begin, non-cooperation movement should start. How? With the surrender of titles. Surrender, underline. Surrender means give up of titles. Titles means During that time, British gave some titles like Sir. So many, we can say, to respect, to honor Indians. So such type of titles which were given by British, now we have to give up. Like this, Mahatma Gandhi ji suggested that a government, whatever the titles were awarded by government, now Indians who received, now they have to give up. And a boycott of civil services. Boycott means here, the meaning also given, you can read this meaning. The refusal, we can say, protest. So Mahatma Gandhi ji suggested this one also, boycott of civil services. Army, boycott of civil services. Army, police, courts and legislative councils also, not to participate in councils. Schools and foreign goods also, not to use foreign goods also, British goods also, schools also. Then in case the government used repression, in case, now we started boycott to all these. So in that case, British government started to crush down, to control to stop our activities, to stop this movement. At that time, a full civil disobedience campaign here, movement, would be launched. Then we have to start civil disobedience movement, another movement. Non-cooperation movement, this is one of, and civil disobedience movement, another. Through the summer of 1920, Mahatma Gandhi and Shaukat Ali, both of them, taught extensively, traveled, visited many places. Why? Mobilizing popular support for the movement, to gather Hindu and Muslim for the support to this movement, to the non-cooperation movement. Now see this one and try to understand. Many within the Congress within a Congress, our leaders, Congress leaders, were concerned. Concerned means here, no, doubtful. They had doubt about the proposals, about non-cooperation, what was going on about that matter. Now some our Congress leaders, they were not satisfied. They were reluctant. Reluctant means here, we can say the unwilling, not happy, to boycott the council elections scheduled for November 1920. Now some leaders, they were not happy to oppose, to boycott council elections. Now the council elections scheduled for November 1920, to these elections, to boycott, to oppose, some leaders were not ready. And they feared, they thought that the movement, non-cooperation movement, might lead to popular violence. Now they thought that it would create what? Violence. People will use violence way. So some leaders, they thought like this. So in Congress, now we can see group. The Congress leaders were divided into two views. In the months between September and December, there was an intense tussle, underline tussle. Tussle means fighting, struggle within the Congress. Now we can say between September and December month. Now, on the basis of views, thinking, now fighting, struggle, which was within the Congress leaders. For a while, there seemed, underline, seemed means here, we can say the felt or saw no meeting point between the supporters and opponents of the movement. Now some leaders who were in support of non-cooperation movement, Congress leaders, and some who were they opposed to this proposal. So no meeting point means they would come together for the non-cooperation movement, to carry out the non-cooperation movement. There was no chance for coming together there. Finally, at the Congress session, at the Congress meeting at Nagpur, underline this, in December 1920, underline this one, Congress session, Nagpur, year December 1920, a compromise was worked out. A compromise was there between supporters and opponents, our leaders, and the non-cooperation program was adopted. After that, non-cooperation movement was adopted. Now, students, listen carefully. How did the movement unfold? Here, unfold means move forward. Now, we have to learn in next clip how the non-cooperation movement unfold, carried out. Who participated in it? Who participated? Our Indians. Which type of people? How they participated in the non-cooperation movement? How did different social groups conceive, underline conceive means understand, of the idea of non-cooperation? Different groups means Hindus, Muslim, Adivasis, peasant, all different groups. So how, means according to them, how they understood the meaning of non-cooperation as per their level, we have to learn in next clip. Thank you very much.